folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the fried pork with mushroom. Chinese name called 蘑菇炒肉片. The main ingredient we need a piece of pork leg. Other pork also okay. Probably all 1.5 pound or 1 pound either is okay. And we also need the some 8 ounces mushroom. The mushroom, this is already sliced mini bell mushroom, and if you don't know how to slice the mushroom, you can go to my video, the fried mushroom with scrambled eggs. That video you can see how to slice the mushroom. So we already bought this is already sliced. So slice the mushroom and 3 scallion. Green onion called scallion, and 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion. The scallion already washed, and pick the dead skin or yellow skin, and then now we cut the root off. Okay, then we can do this with little smashes of the garlic, the smashes of the scallion, and we just cut like this. So it'll be like this. Those are scallion we get. Or called green onion we cut. Okay, we cut the pork leg. This pork leg we slice it first. Try to slice it with this thing. So be like this thing or two. Then after this, then we cut it like this. So be like this. So the final will be like this. This is the final pork we get. We cut it the piece slice it pork. This is the final pork we get. On the stove, medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the pork into the oil. Want to add the liquid in the pot. Slowly fry until the fat in the pork and go into the oil, and there's no liquid, just the pork and the fat and the oil left in the pot. Slowly fry. Now after fry a little while, you see a lot of liquid in the pot, and right now we just slowly fry till this liquid is gone, and just the oil, fat, and the pork fat and the pork in the pot. Then we do the next step. Now you can see just the pork and the fat go to the oil, no liquid left. This is the ginger, chopped ginger. We add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger to it. You can add, if you don't like ginger, you can add 1 teaspoon. And just fry it. And now we turn the fire to the high fire to fry. Fry the ginger. When the ginger releases good smell, we add the green onion or scallion into it and keep frying. When the scallion releases good smell, we add washed drain water mushroom into it and fry. This is the salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt tree. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is the oyster sauce. We add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce to it. Okay. Okay, we try the mushroom. Mushroom is cooked and the flavor is good. The green onion. It's all cooked. We try the meat. The meat is very good. It's fully cooked. We turn off the stove. So this dish is done. So the fried mushroom with the fried pork with mushroom. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.